get a load of this, folks. It says here, a constant menace to pilots are the Gremlins who wreck planes with their diabolical Sabotage. What's all the hubbub, bub?
These blockbuster bombs don't go off unless you hit them just right.
Hey, Mac. Let me take a whack at it. What am I doing? I bet that was a... Say, do you think that... Hey, could that have been a... Gremlin? It ain't Vendoville, Key! Did you hit the head of one of them?
Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go?
That way.
Well, gee, thanks a lot, George.